Why does it have to be you? Come to reprimand me in person, did you?
I need your help to defeat X.
To defeat X?
Yes, in order to ensure our future and speed along our evolution.
What on earth are you talking about? What could that worrywart Hunter possibly do for us?
His worrying. That is precisely the quality that will prove beneficial to our cause. He alone possesses that ability. He thinks more deeply than the rest of us. He feels. Normal Reuploids are no match for his heart. But he is unaware of his incredible power.
So to take advantage of this power of his, you're planning to go Maverick?
Precisely.
And you want me to help you?
That's why I've come here.
You're insane.
I won't force you. This isn't something most Reuploids could do. I need someone who can go Maverick of their own accord.
Sorry to burst your bubble, but I'm the one that's gonna change the world.
Vile! What are you doing here?
X! How do you like being Sigma's puppet?
You've been drawn into Sigma's rebellion as well?
Rebellion? I couldn't care less. I just hate you, that's all.
This is as far as you go!
Now let's find out which one of us is truly the better Reuploid. Sigma was wrong. You're not the Reuploid with the power to change the world. I am. Me. Vile.
X, hang in there, buddy.
Zero. If you're gonna take that B-class Hunter's side, then I'll have to destroy you too.
Do your worst, Maverick. But...
Huh?
Not today. Let's get out of here, X.
X. Why does everyone like that guy? Whatever. When the time comes, they'll all know the truth.
Vile, my supporters have been revolting across the land. What is your plan?
Sigma, I have my own way of dealing with things. You just sit back and enjoy the show.
Very well.
You'll find out who really has the potential you talk about.
Chill, Penguin!
I've never seen a Maverick who thought he was a hunter before.
Hunter? Ha! I've never once entertained such thoughts.
Waha! Good answer, but you're still acting crazy. What exactly do you plan to do?
Same thing I always do. Crush anyone and anything who gets on my bad side.
I'll get you!
Take this! Here! Take this! Here! Here! Take this! Take this! Here! 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 Take this! Now take this!
Spark Mandrill!
Time to get started. Vile? What are you doing here?
I should ask you the same question. What are you accomplishing by acting as Sigma's cheerleader?
His plan's not wrong. At least, I don't think so.
Any plan involving X is wrong. I'll put a stop to it. Take this! Take this! Here! Here! Take this! Here! Take this! Take this! Here! Take this! Take this!
This is what it's like.
Armored Armadillo!
I'm under orders to destroy anyone who comes here. It doesn't matter who it is.
All you do is follow orders. You really think you can take me on?
You don't respect authority. You don't follow orders. I pity you.
Pity? Don't pity me. You don't know anything about me.
Enough talk. Let's fight.
Take this! Take this! Here! You're strong! Here! Take this!
Is that all you've got?
Take this! You're strong!
was a good fight.
Launch Octopus.
Well, look what the catfish tracked in. You plan on betraying Sigma, do you?
I'll tell you one thing. I don't like working for others.
A tough guy, You're not half bad. I like you.
I don't care if a pitiful fool like you likes me or not.
I'll show you how an artiste is lifeless. Here it comes! Here! Take this! Now take this! Over here! Now take this! Over here! Now here! Now take this! Try this on the side! Over here! Now take this! Over here! Now! Here! My explosion is beautiful!
Boomerang Kawanger.
Your mobility and attack power are very impressive. You'd make quite the adversary on the battlefield, Vile.
If you think so, then you must know. You know which Reupload can usher in the future for us.
Is this about your rivalry with X? Comparing specs directly, you come out on top, but...
But what? Do you actually believe X is the one? No way.
Let's get this party started. Over here. Over here.
Here! 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 Take
Over here.
Watch this! Here! Now, here! Watch this! Here! Now, here! This! Here! Watch this! Here!
So strong.
Sting Chameleon.
Woohoo! It's Vile! I used to have nothing but respect for you, you know.
In that case, get out of my way and let me pass.
I don't think so. We're going to have to fight.
If you say so, I won't let you or Sigma stand in my way.
I'm ready!
Flame Mammoth.
Vile, what are you doing? If you've joined the side of justice, you can leave now.
Justice? Give me a break, Flame Mammoth. I'll fight you if that's what you want. Bring it on.
You just bit off more than you can chew, Vile. I'll make sure you regret it. Here we go!
Here! Take this! Take this! Take this! Here!
Get hot! Get hot! Get hot! Get hot!
Take this! Take this! Here! Here! Take this! Take this!
Storm Eagle.
So it begins. Vile, I have no reason to fight you.
We're in agreement there. I have no reason to fight you either.
In that case, stand down. You're just confused, Vile, that's all.
I've always hated you, Storm Eagle. You and that smug face of yours.
Step into battle.
Take this! Take this! Take this! Eat this! Here! Eat this! Take this! Take this! Take this! Eat this! Take this!
I cannot lose this battle.
Eat this! Take this! Take this! Eat this! Eat this!
Vile. So this is your way of handling things?
Your underlings were a cinch to beat. They couldn't have been much good to you anyway.
Interesting. Why don't you come find me using your methods? I want to see you in action with my own eyes.
I'll make you understand. You'll know that I am the one who holds the key to the future. Stop right there!
You've really caused a lot of havoc, Vile.
Yeah? I was just taking care of a few loose ends.
So you're not on Sigma's side? You two aren't friends?
Friends? I don't have any. Not now, not ever. I only know one thing for sure, X. You are my enemy.
This is as far as you go.
Let's finish this, Vile.
I'll admit, you have grown stronger. But you'll hardly be able to change the world if you're dead. What's the matter, X? Aren't you gonna show me your true power? Wimp to the very end, huh? End of the line, X.
Change the world? Sounds like Maverick talk to me.
Let's go!
X, shoot now!
Want a charge shot? Sigma. I fought X, but I still don't understand. Why him? What's so special about him?
What exactly did you plan to do, Vile? Would you stand before me as a Maverick Hunter? Kneel at my feet and place yourself at my mercy?
What did I plan to do? Thinking about it now, I'm not actually sure.
Retrieve Vile.
I don't care what happens to this world. By defeating X, I have validated my own existence. And that's all that matters to me now. My name is Vile. I am I